Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I want to make lunch, and for lunch I want to take some turkey that we have in the fridge already cooked, and I want to make a sandwich spread, and then I want to make a partial cabbage salad to lay the turkey salad on in the spinach wraps. So that sounds really good for lunch. Let's get started. Vegetables. And I want to cut these up just really thin. I think we only need half an onion. We'll save that for another time. Okay. Now I have bags of cleaned vegetables here. That way we can make salads throughout the week. This is a zucchini and I don't want it. I want cucumber. This is an English cucumber. Bell pepper. So we have green in there. So let's do a red one so we can have some color. And I think I'll only need a half of one. Well, we'll see. I think I'm gonna cut these cucumbers in half as well. All right, so I want this really thin. I think we have enough stuff in here to make a bed for the wraps. Just stir this up a little to, oh, that's going to be nice. Got onions, cabbage, cucumber, red bell pepper. Okay, so we'll set this aside. Now we need to cut up the turkey. I'm just going to chunk it up. I don't want it like a pate or anything. I want it a little bit chunky. I don't know if this is a good knife. We're also going to put celery, but we're going to cut the celery very fine. We don't want huge pieces of celery. Okay, so we're done with our chopping our vegetables. Now we're going to add some salt and pepper. Now we'll add our Miracle Whip. Now I just am putting in what I think I want. Everyone has different taste buds and different ways of preparing. So you add as many of these ingredients as you want. It's your taste preference that you need to go by. So I'm also going to add creamed horseradish. Just a couple. I don't want to add a whole lot. We can always add more later. And relish. And a little mustard. This looks mighty good. We need to do a taste test to see if we need any more horseradish, salt, pepper. Okay, so we're using spinach herb wraps. Are ready to put our wrap together. Now the problem will be to not overfill the wrap. Now I'm choosing not to make a sauce to go with this. There is a sauce for the cabbage salad, but I don't know if it will be compatible with the turkey mix here. we're gonna try this real quick. So here is our turkey wrap, and I'm mangling it here because I don't want it to fall apart. Okay. Here we go. Oh, wow. That is absolutely fresh and delicious. Oh, definitely taste the fresh vegetables. Oh, that is just delicious. I'm glad I did this. Wow. And with these wraps, they're carb balance. I don't know how good that is, but if you're trying to be healthier, this is a great sandwich for lunch. Fresh vegetables, good flavor. I really like this. Okay, my friends. I want to thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Try some low-carb wraps with turkey if you have things like that in the fridge, especially with a fresh salad. And we'll see you next video. Bye-bye.